So how are you, Sagar? Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay, okay,
I'm
okay.
totally good, sir.
Now, Sagar, I would like to share your experience of 6 days brain to brilliance workshop, right? In which
Yes, sir.
you have been participated. So first of all, please introduce yourself. What's about you and your background? So please, Sagar, over to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
To introduce myself, my name is Sagar Tilkar. I have
Mhm.
4+ years of experience in the field of advertisement, and I used to work in a company named Add to Pro Media Solutions, which was in Bangalore. After
Mm.
my marriage, I came down to my native city, that is Kalburgi, Gulbarga before. Now, and I joined LB. So, anyways, time passed by. I went through a major thing, and so that's another story. But I got to know about your link as I joined. As I told you,
Mm.
when I moved to my native, I joined LLB. So, I had almost in my last semester. Then I met with another. That's a different story. Let us not discuss that. But in especially in the field of law, LLB, what is important is you should remember the sections. Ah, yes, I understand it will come from age, but it's better to learn as soon as you can.
So,
You
so,
have to.
so, Sagar, can you
Yes,
share why did you join 6 days Brain to Brilliance workshop? Can you share why did you join?
yes, that's what I'm telling you. There
Hmm.
in law, we have to remember a lot of sections. It will come from age, but it will be better. It would be better if I remember the sections, what is what, as soon as possible. Then I can depend and give and help my senior executive, and that is
Sagar, meaning you want to improve your professional and personal career, right?
definitely, definitely
Yes, yes, by improving your mindset, by improving your memory, and also getting retention ability, right?
correct, correct.
So, thanks to share, Sagar. Can you
Yes,
share, Sagar? Can you share the 6 days experiences, right? What
sure,
you have
sure.
learned, what you have learned in 6 days workshop. Please share your important takeaway, right?
Okay, okay, sir.
Which is a very beneficial for our viewers and for our audience, right?
Sure.
So, Sagar, tell me.
It was just 6 days, but in 6 days you have given me very important ways or techniques to how to remember numbers, ways, names by connecting them to things which you shared with me, and my reading speed. I totally agree. It has improved a lot, sir. You showed me how to read from a toddler, like from a child to a man, how your
Okay.
eyes work. And the most important thing which you told me that while reading you should always read within your mind, and only I should be moved, not you should not
meaning
orally.
means means Sagar, your tangible outcome, right? Your tangible outcome after the 6 day program
Okay, sir.
is whether your reading speed has been improved or not.
No ways, it has improved, sir. It
Okay,
has
okay,
improved.
great.
It
Thank you,
has
thank you.
improved.
And as far as memory is concerned,
Sir.
what do you want to tell me? How you get benefited from the workshop? As far as the memory is concerned, tell me.
The techniques which you gave us, sir. So I'm using it. Yes, I know it will take time, but my memory also has increased, sir.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
remembering uh, by using the technology you give. I'm remembering names. Before I used to not. I used to just have a picture of their face, but now I'm able to relate and recollect their names also. So it makes
Meaning,
them also.
yes. Meaning, Sagar, as you are
Yes,
a lawyer, right? As you
yes,
are a lawyer, and the practices. right? Best,
Y-
and I support you in the journey. The Actually, what would happen that every skill has a journey and a process, right? It's
Yes,
take
sir.
a time. It's take a time. But do you think that by joining the 6 day program, you understand the clear roadmap? Getting my point? You understand the clear roadmap because every skill takes a time, right? Every
That's
skill,
what I
ha
feel.
ha ha,
Yes.
yes, yes, takes a time to acquire. But in the six
Correct.
day program, you will understand the roadmap. How can we achieve our target in the
Exactly,
memory,
sir.
in the speed reading, and in the
Yes.
retention, and not only this, in the professional career,
Yes.
how we can become a best reader and how we can cultivate a reading habit. Because Sagar, you know that the reading habit is very very crucial, right?
Yes.
Because see, sweetness is the innate quality of sugar, right?
Yes, sir.
Sweetness is the innate quality of the sugar, and service is the innate quality of your soul. Getting my point?
Correct. Yes, sir.
And reading is the innate quality of every successful people on the planet.
Oh,
Every
yes.
success, right? Every successful on the planet have a innate quality of reading. They read a lot. And if you want to become a top 1%, then you have to cultivate a reading habit. And in the sense, the speed reading is a very crucial and the very critical. Getting my point, Sagar? So as
Yes,
far as
yes.
the speed reading is concerned, are you agree with me that it is possible to read any book with a 4x speed and 5x speed? Are you agree with me, Sagar?
Yes, sir. Now my speed has gone to 3x. I hope I'll definitely go to 4x and 5x as you told, sir.
Can you
So for
share,
now,
Sagar? Can you share a important takeaway that how you can believe that reading of speed means speed reading is possible? Can you share one tip how you can believe that speed reading is a possible?
sir, the example which were you shared to me about the richest people, the more you read, the more you learn. The more you learn, the more you earn. And also that big, like big billionaires or people who are in high standards, no, we don't know. We know only they coming in TV, but in the background they read a lot, they retain a lot, and they utilize in their daily routine. So that's
Sagar,
how they
I
become
yes,
successful.
yes, yes. Thank you, Sagar. And I talked about the number of words, right? Number of words,
Yes,
and
sir.
the capturing group of words,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Capturing
Yes.
group of words. Can you tell me something about a group of words? How we
Group
can
of,
capture how we can capture group of words?
group of words. If there is a sentence, instead of reading one after the other, you can just read to the important point, and our mind
Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Great,
automatically
great,
connect the
great, great,
missing.
great. Yes,
Yes,
thanks,
sir.
thanks, thanks to share,
Yes.
Sagar.
Yes.
How do you feel about your progress as far
Sir,
as your memory, your memory, and as far as your reading speed? Tell me your progress after 6 days.
sir, after 6 days, I have improved a lot. I am just very much eager to join the full course. But
Mhm.
as I told you, I'll definitely join. It will take some time.
Sure, sure, Sagar. Sure, Sagar.
I'm
Okay.
within six
Mhm.
days I've improved this much, so I can imagine after doing the full program how much will I improve.
Okay, okay, okay. And
That is
Sagar,
it.
what is your recommendation for our viewers? Tell me,
Sir,
what is your recommendations?
my recommendations is hands down. I
Okay. Thanks,
humbly,
thanks, Sagar.
I humbly request
Mhm.
everyone to kindly just not only just attend. You focus and attend 6 days. Take out
Mhm.
time 1 hour each. Give time to sir. You just within 6 days, you yourself will get to know. I mean, the whoever you will join the program, they will get to know that what changes they'll find in themselves. They'll analyze and they'll only talk. So I'll definitely recommend everyone to please join Sir's program of 6 day program, and you will definitely, you'll feel better. Positiveness will increase, your strength will increase, your speeding abilities, reading speed reading will increase, your focusing, and there are a lot multiple things. Imagine in 6 days only I've learned so much, and talking about this much, imagine what would I say if I have done the full course. So I would definitely 101%, 200%, 500%, you just go and attend this 6 hours 6 day program.
And after 6 days program, Sagar,
Yes, sir.
can you share your speed rating before the program and your speed rating after the program? If you share, please tell me.
Sir, before this course, sir, I used to read. Even in mind also, the speed was a little slow.
Hmm.
Uh, yes, I used to not count the words per minute, but after doing this course, I can. My eyes are moving fast. I'm able to scroll fast in the messages, reading this thing, articles. If I check news and all, so that's obviously it shows that my reading abilities has increased, sir.
Means
No
the
doubt.
technique. Yes, means the technique that you have learned in 6 day program will definitely work, right? Will definitely work.
Definitely,
Okay, see
definitely,
you. Okay,
definitely.
okay, okay, Sagar. And what's your final thought, Sagar, for my viewers? Your final thoughts, because you are a lawyer, right? And you are a very
Yes.
experienced person because you have already done as a executive officer, right? So your final thoughts about my program and about my viewers, tell me.
Sir, me, I might have worked, I'm a student to you. But
Okay, okay.
I'll tell to everyone, every individual who is, I don't know how you got connected with sir, but even in whichever ways, but I can assure you 101%, 1000% that you will definitely tell me that yes, I have gained a lot within only 6 years program.
Okay, okay,
It's my
okay.
humble request
Thanks.
to you
Yes.
do this program.
Thanks to share, Sagar.
No, sir. I'm sharing what I've experienced, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much, Thakar. So Sagar, thanks a lot, and thanks for sharing your experience. And I blessed you to give a next level, right, in your
Definitely.
in your career and in
Thank you,
your
sir.
personal and the professional career. And also I blessed for your futures, and as you want to go into the Supreme Court. So I also blessed you, and I pray to the Lord, go to the Supreme Court and boom your in life. Right,
Sir,
Sagar?
with
Uh,
your blessings and this thing, I'll definitely,
mm,
I'll make
reach to
sure
the
reach
destination,
to
right,
the
Sagar?
destination, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that's it, Sagar. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Thank you so
Okay,
much, sir.
okay, okay,
Thank you.
okay, okay.